He figured out how to take online gambling and make it sexy with the money and the women. Because that's the true craveable experience.
No, I'm correct.
Name it.
33% right back.